Welcome to Camp Moose on the Loose. My name is Bruce the Moose. All kinds of creatures call this forest home, both big ones and small ones. This forest is truly an amazing place. There are all sorts of fun things to do. You can hike the trails, paddle a canoe across the lake, roast marshmallows over the campfire, and stare up at the sky full of stars at night. This really is a beautiful place to be, but even out here, it's important to be prepared. Each day I'm going to be here to talk about something important to have with you on a camping adventure. It's going to be great.